walked up the gravel path to your wooden door, heart beating louder than it ever did before. The sky was turning silver, clouds hanging low, but I knocked anyway, hoping you'd say go. You opened it slow, eyes wide with surprise. I smiled and said, darling, come run with me tonight. Down in the meadow where the wildflowers grow, just you and me, let the whole world go slow. You glanced at the sky and whispered, it looks like rain. I took your hand and laughed, then let's give it a try anyway. Hand in hand we ran like kids out of elementary school, laughing and spinning, breaking every rule. Barefoot through the tall grass, wildflowers brushing our knees. Two fools in the open, as wild and as free. The first drops fell gentle, then harder they came, but we kept on dancing in the soft summer rain. Somewhere in the distance, a sweet melody played, like the world wrote the music just for the love we made. We twirled through the puddles, your dress soaked and clean. My shirt stuck to my shoulders, but my heart kept on singing. You laughed when I slipped, pulled me back to my feet. We chased the horizon where the wildflowers meet. The rain kept on falling, cool on our skin, but your smile was warmer than any sun we'd been in. We slowed to a walk, breath catching in time, and I pulled you in closer, felt like forever was mine. We came together under that gray open sky, lips met in the rain, no need for goodbye. I backed up a step, looked deep in your eyes, saw the whole future right there, no more lies. I grinned like a boy and said, soft as could be, we can do that again, maybe just a few more times, till we get it just right, till the rain learns our name, till every kiss feels like coming back home in the flame. Hand in hand we ran like kids out of elementary days, dancing through the meadow in 1,000 sweet ways. The wildflowers bowed low as the soft rain came down, and that beautiful melody wrapped us around. We kissed in the downpour, hearts beating as one, two lovers in the open, chasing forever under the sun. Yeah, we'll do it again, just a few more times, till we get it just right, till the stars call us mine. Knock on your door,